Congrats, Coach.
Thank you.
Coach, di ba kayo binahat?
Ha?
Hindi kayo binahat.
Hindi, aga ko rito eh. Maaga ko rito na nalagpasan ko yung baha. Yun, medyo, you know, rusty at the start. We're trying to feel out Michael, di ba? Of course, we weren't able to really play scrimmage games with Michael, so we're just trying to feel him out. And he was trying to feel us out also. So that's why we were struggling at the start. And then our shots went in. You know, and Jason was doubtful, but we're thankful that he decided to play in the second half. Well, something just happened to his wife, so he had to take care of his wife. So, okay naman. But syempre, medyo napuya. So okay naman. So he wanted to feel things out muna kung
Still, ang
we're just trying to, syempre, one round elimination. We squeaked by, this was, the biggest margin of the lead was today. The past 4 games, we just squeaked by wins, konti lang. It could have gone any other way, either way. So, pero ngayon, medyo nakaalaman kami ng uli. Yun. So we're just trying to play the best we can every day.
Coach, si Mario Little is still here.
Yes, he's still here. Yes. He was kind enough to stay naman for a week or so. So he's okay naman.
So, officially hindi pa siya.
He just injured it, so that's why we put him in the injury reserve. He's an import, and then Michael came. So we'll see. Wait and see. No, si Mo, nagka-recover na sa injury, but nagkaroon siya ng siguro intestinal flu or something. 2-3 days. No, I didn't.
Coach, yung pagkawala ni Aram.
Yeah, malaking bagay si Aram because he's a middleman shot blocker, and then Dawson also in the latter part when he had back spasms. Yun. So, it's an unfortunate incident. All right, thank you.